Part 1 Application Range of Electromagnetic Flow Meters. Electromagnetic flow meter is one of the most popular flow meter in industrial fields, including chemical industry, environmental protection, metallurgy, medicine, paper making, water supply, water drainage, food. Part 2 Using magnetic flow meter for liquid detection. Highly effective in handling liquid of various types and concentrations, magnetic flow meters have various distinguishing advantages that make them quite popular. Firstly, the liquids in pharmaceutical, food, beverage, pulp and paper making often contain large amounts of solids, which might challenge other flow meters. The sensor is generally connected to the pipe, and its diameter is the same as that of the pipe, so the measurement will not disturb the flow of the medium. And there are no moving parts, so there are no wear issues and pressure loss. Secondly, magnetic flowmeters measure volumetric flow, which means that the measurement is insensitive to changes in fluid density, temperature, pressure and viscosity. Its accuracy is high and will not be much decreased over time. Thirdly, once a magnetic flow meter is calibrated with water, it can be used to measure other conductive fluids without further calibration. This is a distinguishing advantage that others do not have. Besides, it can handle corrosive and abrasive liquids. Last, it is capable of small and big pipes from DN10 to DN2000 mm. If the budget is limited, inserted magnetic flowmeter is good choice for big pipes. However, note that magnetic flow meters can't measure liquids of very low conductivity. We can provide you more technical instructions. Contact us now for more.